Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna share with you a BTS of a short film that my friend Max and I have been working on. Let's get to it. So in this BTS, I want to show you what is it that we do and how we do it. The script was written and recorded on the same day. This is a two-man project. My friend Max is gonna be the guy that is kidnapped, and I am gonna be behind the camera and also be the kidnapper. Alright, so the whole thematic of this short film is this guy is being kidnapped by accident, and through the whole film we're gonna see the development of both characters. And at the very end, we will find out who is the joy killer. This is the warehouse, and as you can hear, there's a lot of echo, so hopefully this microphone helps me out so I don't have too much echo when I'm editing this video. Windows, a lot of natural light that we can use. So what we're trying to achieve here is a more dramatic feeling, a more dramatic picture. The memory of you just come running by.
Open my eyes like that?
Exactly, yeah. I'll come through here. So here and cut the camera.
Alright. Hello? Hey! Where am I? What is this?
You actually see me.
Alright.
And I'm gonna stand here beside the camera. And if I have to do something, I'll like when I do a
Alright, got it. That's it. 3, 2. Is it a camera?
You know exactly why you're here, Peter. I have waited so long for this moment.
Peter? Oh, okay. Who's playing jokes? Mike, is that you, man? Alright. Good job. I get it. Come on out now. Good prank.
Who's Mike? So this recording was a little bit of a challenge because Max had to be on character and I personally had to be behind the camera and also be on character and act. I'm not an actor, but I did my best. Production, there is usually more than 2 people working on, but Max and I managed to achieve what we were looking for. Obviously there were a few things that came out and they were not perfect, but I am pretty sure that we got the shots that we needed. We can do this all day, Peter.
Told you, my name's not Peter. It's Rick. Rick Stanford, man. Rick Stanford. I told you. I work at FJI Consultants.
Stop lying, Peter. Your name is Peter Walker from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
No, I've never even been to Milwaukee before. You got it wrong, man. You got it wrong. Look at what you did to my face. Just let me out of here, man. You're gonna be in huge trouble, man, if you don't let me out.
You're a good liar, Peter. But you know what you did.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Kill her. Look at her!
I've never even seen that girl, man. I've never even seen that girl. I swear to God, man. I swear. It's horrible.
Alright guys, so this was only a small taste. If you want to find out if Richard Stanford is actually the joy killer, you need to watch a short film next month when it comes out. Alright guys, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time.